It is a new year and it is time for a new you, and I am so excited to be here finally doing my very first unboxing video of the Work Life Glue subscription box. If you want to see what's inside, keep watching. Hey guys, Sarah here. I am so excited. It is a new year and it is a whole new season for Work Life Glue. I have new content coming and I have my box finally sent out to people. Almost everybody should have received their box by now that ordered, and so it is time to do my monthly unboxing. I plan to do this every month, so if you are interested, maybe you clicked on this video, you don't know what Work Life Glue is, but you heard of the box, or maybe you've been a long-time subscriber, follower, but you want to know what's in the boxes before you take that step to join us. That is what these videos will be every single month. So before I jump into it, I just kind of want to give a little overview of what the Work Life Glue box is if you are new and you've never heard of it. The Work Life Glue box is a monthly subscription box for busy moms, particularly moms who need some accountability, who want some help, who want training, and also want some products that are going to help them with a certain area every single month. So every single month we will have a new theme, and the whole year theme for all of 2022 is maximize. You've heard people talk about minimalism and minimizing their items, and I thought, why not take that in a different way and use the word maximize to maximize those different areas of our life that we still need. For example, time management. We all have only 24 hours in a day, so how can we maximize that time? So every single month we will be maximizing a different area of our life. And this is not just a subscription box that you get the box and then you're done. There's a whole online component too, which I will talk about in a second. But for the month of January, we are focusing on time. I am a huge time management productivity junkie. I love learning about it. I love maximizing my own time, and so I thought, what better way to start off our year as we're learning and maximizing different areas of our life? What a better way to start than by maximizing our time so we can fit in these other things. And so in the box are 4 practical products that are dealing with maximizing your time. There will always be 1 pampering product for the mom or woman. I know there are some who ordered who aren't moms, but I think they can still get good use out of the boxes, which is why I want to do these videos. So maybe you're not a mom, but it sounds really interesting. You can kind of see what's in here and see if it'll work for you. So there'll be 1 pampering product, and this is just some kind of product to pamper yourself with. Might be skincare stuff, bath stuff, a little treat now and then, just something that will pamper you, because especially us moms do not take enough time to pamper ourselves, and so I just want to give that to you. And there's also 1 parenting product. Now that's not a product to like make you a better parent, it's a product to help you bond with your kids. So it might be a craft, it might be a game, it might be some kind of thing, which you'll see in this box how I kind of use the theme to kind of guide me. Sometimes it may just be a game that doesn't even really fit with the theme, and that's okay. It's just something fun to do with your kids. It might be a puzzle, just something to get your family together, because that's something I'm huge about on my channel, in my life, is creating those moments with our family. And Work Life Glue, if you are a mom, the whole point of the balance of work and life is to really be able to focus on your family and the things that really matter to you. So I wanted to make sure I have something in the box every month that kind of facilitates that. So on top of the monthly subscription, you also are part of an online community which is on Facebook, and I have tons and tons of very thorough posts, questions to keep you engaged. We have memes every week just to make it fun and lighthearted. There are challenges. There are also discounts and giveaways. And I have a trainer every month. There'll be an expert trainer on the topic who will be training live with me in the group that people can ask questions of and learn from. And then I am also going live, at least at the start of launching the box, every week. I may adjust over time depending on what works for everybody, but I'm going live every single Monday night in the group to kind of go along with the challenge, because every month there'll be a whole month-long challenge to help us actually make progress on whatever the theme is for that month. So for January, we're going to be really working on our time, analyzing our time, and making a plan to make sure our time fits with our priorities, and that's all in the group. So I'm going live every single week. That's also a time people can ask me questions. We can help each other, and it's just a really great way to stay accountable, to have interaction with people. I know during the pandemic it's been so hard, feeling isolated and lonely. This is a great way to have like a mom tribe if you don't already have a great tribe around you, or maybe you do and you just want some more like-minded friends. This is a great way to do that. So keep that in mind as you're looking at the box and asking yourself if it's right for you. At the end of this video, I'm going to talk about different options for subscriptions, because I am also launching a community only option if you don't want the products from the box but you want the community. I'll talk about that at the end of the video, as well as any products that are currently available at the filming of this video that you can still buy, since the boxes themselves are sold out for January, but you can also for sure subscribe right now and get next month's box and any future boxes. So let's get into January's box. Okay, this is what the outside of the box looks like. Very branded, love it. It says open for your instant mom community. Hashtag work life glue. For the mom who does it all. Also hashtag work life glue. So this is what it looks like when it arrives. Beautiful. So you open it up, and every month there will be a little card as well as a little information on the top about how to actually use the box. So it will tell you how to unbox, how to use the products, where to join the group, which is only for those who have paid for the box or for the community only option, how to participate, and who that month's trainer is. This month for January we have Amy Miller, who is a good friend of mine. She's a Canadian mom who runs her own business. She sells beautiful foiled stickers for planners and other planner accessories that she creates and ships out all on her own. And so as a busy mom herself of 2 little boys, she also homeschools. I thought she'd be the perfect one to train us about time, since she's all about planning, and so she's our trainer for the month in the group. So for this month, like I said, maximize your time is the theme. So this card just kind of goes over why that's a theme, what it means, and that kind of thing. And then on the back, every month there is a packing list. So I go over what practical products, pampering product, and parenting product that there are, plus the retail value to show, you know, you're getting more than what you paid for it, especially with shipping included in the price of the box. If you're getting shipped in the US, the shipping is included, and the value of the box is more than what you pay for the box, which is a really great deal. Okay, so let's unbox it. One thing I did not mention is every month there will be a card that is custom created for that particular month. So it will be a quote that you can hang up to kind of help you stay motivated, stay focused on whatever we are talking about that month. So you might put it on your desk, on your kitchen window, on your mirror, somewhere that will help you stay focused that month. And you can also keep them and display them, or I don't know. There's so many things you can do. Put them in a scrapbook. Or you can even write on the back and send it to a friend. I loved including that in every single box. So when I am able, I am really trying to support other small businesses, especially women, especially moms if I can. And so Amy Miller is not only just the trainer for this month, she also created custom stickers just for this box. We worked together. It even says Work Life Glue on there, from her company Simply Beautiful Plans. And I love florals, if you know me, so I definitely want to make sure some florals went in here. My color scheme is in here. And she included 4 different foiled sheets of stickers for your planner. So I have this one that has different quotes that fit with busy moms. These are all different icons of things that you may have going on during your typical week. These are different functional stickers, but also very beautiful. And these are like checklists and more little icons and things to help you remember things. And I won't show the discount code, but she also included a discount for anybody who got the box. So I really, really love that. Okay, another thing I am including when I'm able is custom products that I created. So this here is a calendar. It's a decal calendar that looks like this. So it's a decal dry erase calendar. So you can write the month up here, and it's for the whole month. And how you can use this is many different ways, but how I intended for people to use this when I created it is you would write the different members of your family over here. There's 7 different spots here, so if you have 7 members of your family, or you can combine if needed, you can write out like any practices or appointments or things like that, so you can keep track of where everybody is and what's going on this sheet. But you can also use this for chores, you can use this for work tasks, cleaning schedules, you name it, you can use it. I just love this format for really seeing your whole month, but also your week and your day at a glance, and it's really divided by each person of the family so you can stay accountable. And I used a decal instead of like a magnet or just a piece of paper because I wanted you to be able to stick it anywhere. You could stick it on the back of a cabinet, on the front of a cabinet, on a door, on your fridge, on the wall. Obviously test out the area before using it, but I have it on my fridge. I've had it on there for a couple months, and it's been really helpful for my husband to see what's going on and for me to just quick glance at it when I don't have time to like open my planner and look. So I just really love this. There are so many different ways to use this, and if you didn't want to use the decal, you could always stick it on using just little sticky tabs, or you could put it on a bulletin board with little tacks. Lots of different ways to use this, and I wanted you to be able to use this for years and years, so that's why I went with dry erase and not like paper. Moving on, I saw these Tech Candy Be Present screen blockers, and I had to have them. I thought they were perfect because so many of us struggle with being on our phones more than we should be, more than we want to be, and this is a great way to physically help you remember to stay off your phone. So if there are times in the day where you want to be present with your family, or you want to get work done or what have you and not look at your phone, you can just take one of these off and literally stick it on your phone, and that will help remind you to not look at your phone. And there's different little sayings on them too, which is really cute, and they just peel right off. And I just think the container is really pretty too if you want to use it for something else. But I love these. You could take them to restaurants with you, and especially if you have older kids, like teenagers, they can all put them on their phones to remind them not to be on their phone when we're with family, that kind of thing, or with if you're with your friends and you guys want to remember not to be looking at your phone. It seems kind of dorky, but it is hard to just have willpower and to remember to stay off your phone. So this is a great way to stay present with your family and stay off your phone. This was the very first thing I knew I wanted to have in the box, and this is a cube timer. I do not have batteries in this right now, but this is a really cool concept. So there's 30, 60, 15, and 20 minutes on this cube. The top is blank and the bottom is what actually sets the timer, and you can put the batteries in. And how this works is, let's say you want to set a timer for 20 minutes. You just set it down like that, and the timer will start for 20 minutes. So this is a great way to set timers with kids, especially little kids. As long as they kind of know what the numbers are, they can set a timer. You don't have to like push any buttons or anything. It sets itself. And this is great for, you know, okay, everybody, we're going to clean for 15 minutes, or okay, I'm going to work for 60 minutes, or clean for 60 minutes, or I'm going to be on the phone for 60 minutes, and then we can play. It's a great visual for yourself, but also for your kids. It's great for time blocking. You can use it at work, you can use it at home. There's so many ways to use these. They're really pretty and simple looking, and I just think they're perfect for time management and productivity. So those were the 4 practical products. The last 2 left in the box are the Pampering product and the Parenting product. So the Pampering product this month are these lovely, there's 6 of them. These are shower steamers. So I know not all of us take baths, but a lot of us take showers, and maybe we don't have time for a bath, but we want just a little bit of pampering in our shower. You can stick these in your shower, and they kind of release essential oils. They smell really nice. They do wonderful things for your skin, for your mental health, for your clarity. They invigorate you, and I just think these are a wonderful way to throw in a little pampering into your week if you don't have a lot of time. And then lastly, for our very first parenting product is this 2022 daily calendar. It's a page a day, another totally random day desktop calendar, and I thought this would be such a fun way to connect with your kids throughout the entire year. So I wanted everybody to have this right away, and it's time themed. So this is really fun because there's fun facts in it. There are jokes, riddles, just like interesting information. There are little games and things in it. And just tons of fun things. I just imagine a family pulling this out either at breakfast or maybe at supper time, or putting it in with their kids' lunchbox or what have you. It's just a fun way to kind of bond together, and super simple, easy, doesn't take a lot of time, but it's a really fun little tradition to throw into every single day. And now the box is empty. I hope you enjoyed that look into my January box. If you saw any products that you're interested in, I have 3 products that I have extra of that you can purchase. I have a lot of these decals left over. I bought a lot extra just so I could sell them because I just think they're awesome, and I want you guys to get your hands on them if you want them. So those will be on my website if you're interested. I also have a lot of extra timer cubes. If you're interested, I'm going to be selling them at a discounted rate of like what you could get them on Amazon for. So if you're interested, go over to my website. And then also I have a few more of the sticker packs from Simply Beautiful Plans. If you saw these, you can't buy them anywhere else. She made them just for this box, and I have a few left over. So also can go to my website to buy those. And like I said, if you want to join for just the community, you can do that as well. It's a more affordable option than buying the whole box. Obviously, you're not getting products then, but you are getting a ton of value. You're getting trainings every month, challenges, giveaways. You can also get discounts on products that way if you might want a product here and there. And just an amazing group of women who are working on our lives together and staying accountable together. So I will have all that information in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you purchased the box or even took the time just to watch this video, I want to say thank you so much. This is allowing me to not only bless other women and other moms, which is a huge passion of mine, but it is also allowing me to stay home with my girls, which I couldn't do without an income. And so I absolutely love my business. I'm super passionate about it, but it also is just such a huge blessing to allow me to homeschool and to be there for all of my girls' moments, and also to help give back to so many other moms and to make life a little bit easier and help encourage and inspire. So thank you guys so much. If you like anything I mentioned in this video and are new here, please subscribe, become part of the Glue Stick family. I have lots of tips, tricks, advice, real life to throw your way in video form and podcast form. I'm also on Instagram at Work Life Glue if you want to find more stuff and behind the scenes over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.